Welcome to the 2022 Bar Peeps here on the Man Cave Experience YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a alcoholic beverage called the Patriot. The reason I decided to name it the Patriot, I figured we all need a reminder as to why we take pride in this country we live in, being the US of A. A lot of things are going on right now. The country's kind of in turmoil. We're in a recession that nobody wants to admit to. Things of that nature. I figured we need a pick-me-up, and what better way to get a pick-me-up than out of alcoholic beverage. And today we'll be making a rum-infused Patriot. So let's do this. First of all, we're going to be using these Outshine creamy coconut popsicles. We're going to take one. Remove it from its packaging. Take the stick out. Simply drop it in. Next up, our strawberry margarita mix. This one's made by Master of Mixers. We're going to do 2 ounces. You can use a jigger if you like, but I'm just going to freehand on this one. Now we're going to do some pineapple rum. This one's by Patriot. Not really that strong. It's on 21% alcohol by volume. We're going to do 2 ounces of this. And yes, if you're wondering, this is going to be a strong drink. It's a Patriot, what do you expect? We're going to follow that up with some Patriot coconut rum. It's also 21% alcohol by volume. 2 ounces. Alright, now we're going to throw in some curacao syrup, blue curacao soap to be specific. You can find this at most ABC stores. Not sure if Walmart carries it or not, but we're going to do 2 ounces of it as well. Now we're going to throw in some orange bitters. We're going to do 3 proper droppers of orange bitters. Of course, it's impossible to ever get what you really want to put in when you're dropping orange bitters in, but just do your best to get 3 droplets or 4 in there. All right, now we're just going to drop our ice in there. Alright, now we got our ice added. We're just simply going to put our top on for our NutriBlender. Let the blender do the rest. This is the part of the video where I come to you and let you know about B&U Auto Sales. If you haven't heard about it, now you have. B&U Auto Sales is where you would go in order to drive in style for less. Around the Alabama area, B&U Auto Sales has proven to be your trusted transportation provider. We have BMWs, Mercedes, Cadillac, all those high brands, and at the moment we still sell things like Dodge, Nissan, etc. We got a little bit of everything. We got vans, we got trucks, we got SUVs, even motorcycles and lawnmowers. Depending on how you want to get around, we got you. I'm just saying, check with us at B&U Auto Sales. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram. And always remember, with B&U Auto Sales, you drive in style for less. All right, now we're going to take our pre-chilled glass and simply pour it in the glass. Voila. Now if you'd like to, you can add ice to it. So I'll do now. your ice. Now, of course, I need a straw. Let's see if I have a blue straw to make this more patriotic. Perfect. Blue straw. How about that? All right. There's one thing missing here. Ah, I know. We need a garnish. Voila. So, as you see, you can use a strawberry or even a strawberry and a pineapple. To me, it just looks more patriotic with just the red strawberry on there. Pre-frozen, by the way. By the way, everything you have is good and cold. It's gonna stay kept for a while. If you'll notice, it's starting to separate here at the bottom. If this sits still long enough, it will actually break back down to the colors of red, white, and blue, therefore giving you the hint of the name, the Patriot. That's all I got for you today, peeps. Besides, I want to leave you with this. With the world being the way it is, in turmoil, recession people don't want to admit to, let's all just show love. Show love to each other. One of my favorite sayings is there's no profit in making enemies, and I live by those words to this day. So if somebody's trying to get on your nerves, get under your skin, just smile, let them know they're not successful, and walk away. Works every time. Kindness kills evilness. Let's go ahead and try this drink, by the way, before we go. Great. Very good. But also, people, I wanted to say thank you all so much for your support. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for those of you that have bought shirts. The shirts will be back out again soon, and as soon as they hit the market again, they'll come with a 10% discount. These are the Man Cave Experience t-shirts. We have some more shirts on the way that we've sold in the past. We're gonna bring them back out again too. For those of you who don't know, I was away from YouTube for a little while. I took about 6 months off to handle some stuff. I'm back now, so we're gonna crank up the merchandise again. We're gonna get everything rolling. Again, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you and yours continue to be blessed. Deuces.